Hey, savvy sourcers and resourceful recruiters. This is Maisha, aka Talent Genie, and I want to dedicate this video to 7 Google search features that you may not be using. Let's hop right in. This first one is search by voice. So, just by hovering over this microphone, you can click there, speak your search, and instead of typing, you save yourself a few keystrokes, maybe a few seconds, and you can just speak to search. The second tip is search by image, and this one I'll demonstrate. So, here, right next to the microphone, you're going to see search by image. And what you'll do is upload a file from your computer. And I have a specific file in mind, this AI generated picture of me from Secta AI. And I want to search to see what comes up. Now, I'm hoping to find my own profile, but in actuality, what I find are really cute pink blazers, which is great because I don't own one and that color looks great on me. So, thank you, AI, for the fashion inspiration. So, now I can find pink blazers. Really cool, right? So, you can search for a logo, you can search for a picture, a photo, any number of images that you have at your disposal. Let's hop back to Google and hop into number 3, which is feeling lucky. How often do you hit this on feeling lucky? I don't hit it often enough. And so in this search, I'm going to put my name in quotations and I'm going to click the I'm feeling lucky and let's see what we get. Beautiful. It took me right into my own LinkedIn profile. So you can see that as a streamlined way, saves you a click or so, and you don't have to wait for the search results to load and then click on your desired search result. You can just go right to the site that Google directs you to. And then this one happens to be accurate. All right, let's go back to Google and try our fourth little known feature here. This one is called Verbatim. And I learned about this one just this week from Irina Shamaeva over at Sourcing Certifications. And this is a really good one because semantic search is really what powers Google. Semantic search meaning Google isn't just looking at the words that you're typing, they're thinking about the intent behind your words. So, an example would be dream wedding dress, right? They know that you're not talking about you had a dream of a wedding dress. They know you're talking about the best wedding dress you could imagine, right? So, there is a lot of contextual hinting that goes on with this phrase, right? And so, since we know that Google works this way, if there is an instance where you think, Google, I don't want you to pull back synonyms for my desired term. I don't want you to infer meaning. I want you to just bring back that exact phrase, dream wedding dress. Here's what we would do. You can put it in quotation marks, of course. That's our Boolean modifier. But here under tools, you can go to all results and say verbatim. That means you are now looking for that exact phrase, and now Google's giving you exactly what you wanted and exactly what you asked for verbatim without assuming, right? And sometimes, most times, Google's assumptions are correct, and it's great that they can infer meaning, but this is one way to work around that. So you can always go to tools, setting, and search verbatim. Next up is the anytime option. So let's just type in graphic designer here. All right. And I'm going to now go to tools and anytime here to the left. And on this drop down, I can specify how recent I want the results to be. Now, this could be really good if you're searching for something that is newer, like ChatGPT, and you want to find the freshest results. For this result, let's just say I only want this exact phrase mentioned in the past year. So now Google refines it based on my location. And now I know that these are all recent results as indicated here by the date. Next up is the More menu. So let's stay with graphic designer and let's go to More right here and let's click on books. So this is a great way to learn about places to learn about your chosen topic. So if you're into graphic design, right, you're not looking for a person, You're looking for the topic graphic design. That's probably a better search. And now you've got some book recommendations. If you're starting a new search on a dentist and you don't know much about dentistry or private dentistry, you can type that in and find books along that line. All right, one more to go. This one is going to be any view. So as you can see here, as we refined our search anytime, we actually now have a couple more options here. And I'm going to go to any view and click full view. Now, what I like about this is that it saves you some clicks and gives you much more of the preview than you would have normally had. Okay. So as you scroll down, you can see a little bit more of a snippet of that desired book. All right. Now, the last bonus here, you may have noticed that on my search results page, that the word that I'm searching for is highlighted here in purple. That is made possible by a Chrome extension that I learned again from Irina just this week called Google Enhancer. And it gives you a couple other specific drop downs. Actually, this any document, I'm sorry, not the any document, but there's another couple of drop downs that can help you search for file type. That's what I was thinking of, file type searches. Let me see if I can demonstrate that for you. I'll actually say that for another video. I actually will do that. I just realized I'm at the 6-minute mark. And so this can be classified and filed under 7-minute sourcing. And these are your 7 little known Google features that you may not be using. What's your favorite? Which one do you think you'll use more of? I think I'm going to use more of the I'm feeling lucky. Let's see. Best pizza in Vancouver. Let's see what I get if I'm feeling lucky. Okay, so now I got the TripAdvisor page. I was hoping it would take me right to the order page of the best pizza here, but I guess I've got to do some taste testing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.